saw during the recession how the Pickens County companies that were doing well, growing and expanding, they were doing it with cross-trained employees across multiple STEM manufacturing disciplines. And we knew that at some point in time the recession was going to break. This is the U.S., and we need to be prepared for it. And we developed the concept of Scholar Technician, which basically means that we work with our young people, starting in elementary school, through middle school, through our technical high school, and into Tri-County Technical College, to instill in them a desire and an enjoyment of STEM technical manufacturing endeavors. Today, the marketplace is rewarding skills. It's incumbent upon us as local economic developers to make sure that we are developing a pipeline of skilled young people to come into our workforce.